Hello viewers, in this video I'll be explaining you on the difference between list, tuple, set and dictionary in Python along with some examples. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on more videos on Python and data science. I have written some Python statements here for all the four types. List is one of the data types to store collection of data. Here I am creating a list which is name list by using square brackets, and inside the square brackets I have given details of one particular student. Now when I print this name list, this is how my list is going to look like. Next I am printing the type of the name list to make sure that we are working only on the list data type. So I can see that it belongs to the class list. So this is one way of creating the list. The other way to create the same list is by using the list constructor. So here I've created name list 1 using the list constructor, and when I print that name list, the output is going to be the same, just that it is some difference with the syntax. List items are ordered and indexed, meaning the order of items in the list does not change and we can use the index to access the items. If I give name list of 2, the third element in the list will get retrieved. So the list items are ordered and indexed. So I can create the list items by using the square brackets or the list constructor, and the list items are ordered and indexed. List items are changeable, meaning I can modify the list items. Say I want to update the data at the index position of 1 to 456. Value that is currently in the index position 1 is 123. I want to update that to 456. So I can do that by giving name list of 1 equal to 456, and when I print that name list I can see this updated data in that particular list. So the list items are changeable. List items allows duplicates, meaning I'll be able to add a duplicate value to the list item. So in this example I have already updated the list item with the index position 1 to 456. Now I'm going to append the list with another value which is 456. When I print that name list, I can see that 456 value appears twice, which means that the list will allow duplicates. It allows slicing, wherein I'll be able to slice a portion of data using the slice operator. So in this example, I've given name list of 2:4. So I'm trying to slice a portion of data from the list, and Python is going to retrieve me 7a and school 1 from that list, which belongs to this index of the sliced portion. Now let's look into the other data type, which is tuple. Tuple is also used to store a collection of data. One primary difference between the list and the tuple is that the data in the tuple cannot be changed. Otherwise, it behaves more or less like a list. A tuple can be created by using a simple bracket or by calling the tuple constructor. I have given both the examples here where I'm creating a tuple using a simple bracket, and when I print the type of the data type, I can see that it belongs to the class tuple. The other way to create the tuple is by using the tuple constructor, where I'll give tuple followed by two simple brackets and then the details that I want to be present in the tuple. Tuples are ordered and indexed, meaning I can retrieve a value using the index, and since it is indexed, it is ordered with each tuple item stored at a specific index. Tuples are indexed, meaning I can retrieve the value using the index value. Tuples are unchangeable. I will not be able to update a tuple item using the index value. Here I am trying to give student underscore tuple 1 of 1 equal to 456. So I am trying to update the value of 123 to 456, and when I try to print that value, let's see what happens. It says tuple object does not support item assignment. So tuple items cannot be changed. Once it is created, it cannot be updated. Tuple allows duplicates. I'll not be able to change the tuple item. So while creating the tuple data type, I'll try to insert duplicate values. So in student underscore tuple 1, I'm giving duplicate value which is 80. I can see that the tuple got created with duplicates. So tuple allows duplicates. Tuple allows slicing. So I can use the slice operator to retrieve a portion of data. So this is all about the tuple data type. The third data type is set. I've created student underscore set by making use of the curly brackets, and another set is created by calling the set constructor. So I have these two sets created in two different names, which is student underscore set and student underscore set 1. Set is unordered. So in the output, you can see that the data is displayed in the random order. This is not the order in which I created this set data type. So set is unordered. Set is unindexed, meaning I cannot retrieve the set data using an index. If I try to give student underscore set 1 of 1 where I think there is an index and I'm trying to retrieve the data from that particular index, it is going to throw me this error. So set is unindexed. So because of this, I'll not be allowed to change the value in the set because I'll not be able to refer an item using an index. So set is unchangeable. In this example, I was creating a set with duplicate values. A set got created without any error, but when I try to retrieve the set values, I don't see any duplicate value there. Here 80 is the duplicate value that I've given, but in my output 80 appears only once. I don't see any duplicates as such. So set does not allow duplicates. Since indexing is not possible, slicing is also not possible. So set does not allow slicing. The fourth data type that we are going to look at is the dictionary data type. So in our daily life, when we refer to the keyword dictionary, it means that we are going to look for a meaning of a particular word. So similarly in Python, dictionary data type is in the key value pair format, which is something like roll number 123, name student 1, location my location. So the data will be in the key value pair format. A dictionary can be created by making use of the curly brackets or by calling the dict constructor. So consider this code snippet where I'm creating a dictionary which is student underscore dict. Roll number, name, location, all are keys. The values are 123, student 1, my location, and so on. So this is how I create a dictionary. So when I print this dictionary, I can see that this dictionary is printed in this particular format and the type indicates that it belongs to the class dict. The other way to create the same dictionary is by making use of the dict constructor, where I'll be giving all the key value pairs there. The result is going to be the same. Dictionary is ordered, meaning the data will be retrieved in the same sequence as it got created. The values can be updated in the dictionary, which means that it is changeable. So here I'm trying to update the value of sports to football. Initially, the value of sports was basketball, and then I updated it to football. You can see that the sports now has a value of football. So the dictionary items are changeable. Dictionary does not allow any duplicates, meaning it does not allow duplicates on the keys, but it allows duplicates on the values. In this particular dictionary, I have a key of test1 underscore maths and the value to be 90. If I try to create another key with test1 underscore maths, it is not going to allow me to create this dictionary object, meaning dictionaries does not allow duplicates, but the values can be duplicates. And since it is not indexed, it cannot be sliced. Hope you have understood the difference between the list, tuple, set, and the dictionary data types.